Hello, hello, hello everyone. It's Shamila here. I'm sorry my voice is a little bit groggy. I am suffering from a bit of a cold. So this is the new lady pattern paper Our House collection, and I thought I would just do a quick page through because it is really cute, so adorable. There's some fussy cutting elements. We've got stripes, some things that relate to our home. Oh, there's some metallics in there. Oh, that looks like a bonus thing. And butterflies. I love butterflies and plaid, and some script. So let's open this up and see what's inside. So this one, oh my gosh, this is so cute. You could actually use this for a recipe book or just general scrapbooking papers. I know many of us were baking and cooking lots during lockdown, so that might be perfect for those lockdown pictures. Oh, lovely. This is really a very nice a plain background. Let me just switch this light off here to see if this is going to be better. No, not. The shadow's still showing. Sorry. So I'm just trying to get the lighting right here. My apologies. Okay, so we've got this stunning dotted paper. I love dots, but it's not just plain. It's got some really lovely distressing detail in it, and it goes from light to dark, which is really nice. Love that paper. Plaid, oh my gosh, this takes me back. It looks like a picnic basket. I mean, sorry, a picnic tablecloth. So, and it goes so beautifully with this one. Look how lovely the combination is. That's really nice. I know lots of us love plaid. Some cutting out elements. So these are like your journaling cards. Very cute. At home, getting cozy. Oh man, that's so lovely. So sweet. Something for your sewing elements. Very nice. And this is a really lovely blue that she's used in here. I am not good with colors, so when someone does the work for me, I'm very happy. But the color combination is awesome. Look how nice those go together. Banika has done all the work for us, so we done. Oh, how cute for our gardening pictures. This is lovely. We've got the gardening boot there. We've got some flowers, gardening shears, butterflies. Oh, very cute. And I love these tools. Look at the detail in the handle. That's just so perfect. And mushrooms on the other side. I think they are. Yes. How adorable is this? And if you look at the combination here, look how stunning they go together. Sorry, my voice is going a little bit. Look at that. I think this is gorgeous. Oh my word. I love stripes, I love dots, and I love plaid, because these give you the ability to mix patterns with them. So if we put that together, look how lovely that goes together. The blues in here and the browns and the darkish reds or maroons, they go really beautiful together. Oh my gosh, I just said blue. Love the blue. Love the blue. Look at that. Oh, stunning. Oh, I don't know why I have this passion and love for paper. Oh, butterflies. I really love butterflies. I think they add the most amazing little element to our cards and our layouts. So, you know, you can even fussy cut these. Because the paper is not very thick, you could load it onto another thicker bit of card and then use it as a 3D embellishment. That's really cute. Oh, that's a lovely color. Now let's see how nice it goes with that stripe. Little hearts in there. And look how stunning those two go together. Beautiful. And oh, we've got a gold sheet in here. Oh my word, this is fabulous. And look at the blue one. Ooh. This is lovely. Oh my gosh, I think this just makes my day. I love this blue. Look at that. Where she found this paper, I don't know, but this is fabulous. Oh my word. The bling in me is screaming yes, 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 yes. And then we've got a script one with just general house words like windows, cats, and blah blah blah. And there's the cutout sheet, which I saw, it's on the back side. Now if you're going to be using these on an album and you're using them for tuck spot areas, which is really cool to use, you will have to reinforce it by layering it onto a another thicker card. I do that anyway with most things, especially if it's a tuck spot, because the wear and tear on a normal piece of card does tend to wear out, and we want longevity for all our products that we all our items that we make. So having it reinforced is a good idea. I think this is just amazing. So this is the last page in the set, and this is the back page. So look at that lovely butterfly there, so gorgeous. This takes me back to my grandma. She had little Pyrex dishes like that. Very lovely. And then in addition to that, we've got the chipboard range and the stencils, and I think this is so adorable. It says you're the zest, so that's cute. But I think my favorite one is this one. I love that set of butterflies. I'm definitely going to try and do something with that one. If you watched my video with the stenciling on Saturday past for World Card Making Day, this will make a really cool background on your scrapbook page or a simple card. Once you've done the stenciling, and if you're using your distress oxides, guys, you can actually make these butterflies in all different colors. That will be so awesome. Then there's another cute stencil, which is the one that takes you up the garden path. I think this is so cool. This will be perfect for a three-dimensional mixed media idea. So just think doing those cobblestones in an assortment of colors in texture paste, doing your fence in different colors of browns, and the little shrubbery there, the leaves on the right hand side in shades of green. I think that will be so cute. So that's that. And then we've got the chippies, which is absolutely adorable. We've got the same detail in the handles of the chipboard elements and in the coffee cup, which is stunning. Then we've got the little mushrooms, and I love that boot. Oh my goodness, that boot is just too cute. And then of course we've got the butterflies and a wording which says eat, love, pray. So all in all, I think I love the stencils, I love the paper, but so perfect for me. The bling, the bling, the bling. The bling paper I love. The gold, sorry, you're seeing my shadow there, I apologize. The gold and the blue. It's stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Well done, Banica. You've got another winner on your hands here. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I hope you guys are going to support our locally made product. This is Lady Pattern paper, and it is called the Our House, I think. Let me just double check. Yes, it's called the Our House collection, and as a bonus you're getting those 2 metallic sheets inside. Contact your local scrapbook store if you're interested in this one. I think it's lovely. Until next time, see you in cyberspace. Bye now.